Now, I have been talking about my own Jira service desk, and it is something that I'm quite uh, proud of. I'm really proud of this service desk that I have set up. But today I want to talk about Confluence. Now, on my Jira service desk, I have, of course, a portal, and if you remember, I talked about integrating your Jira service desk project with your portal where you have your knowledge base articles. And the whole reason for knowledge base articles is to basically help your customers so that they can self serve themselves, and these articles can deflect tickets for you. Let us say if someone is asking a question about um, let us say script runner. Let us see if we have something. No, not, we don't really have anything yet. It is a new it is a new knowledge base. So let us say if you have a question about how to make a transition using script runner, click on it, and it will give you the details. Like there was a question from someone. I need to create issue transition in script runner Groovy. I find in internet, but I don't really find an example. Okay, so basically there is an article, and I provided some help, basically links, specific links to videos that will help you in understanding how to make a transition. Now the thing is that this is basically an article which is there in my Confluence. But if you go to my Confluence instance, this is what you will see. And to be honest, I don't really talk a lot about Confluence for some reason. So I have a background in web development. If you don't know about Drupal, I used to, and even now I think I still do a lot of work on Drupal. I have a lot of my sites. My own website, ravisagar.in, is on Drupal. So I have a web development background, and it is a shame that I don't really uh, have a lot of examples that I can share when it comes to using Confluence. Of course, I use Confluence for work and for doing a lot of things, but it is not like Jira for me. I'm always playing with Jira. But today I thought I'll probably change this. I'll probably make an effort to do something about Confluence. I think I have talked about and I have made few videos on Confluence as well, but not really a lot. And today I want to basically create, or rather I should say improve my Confluence space for knowledge base, of course. So if you open this URL and if you try to look at this page, it is not really impressive. I mean, you can have information which is a bit generic. So I thought I'll probably start making it a bit more. I'll try to improve it slightly. So the first thing that I'll do, I'll change the overview page. Now, in Confluence, there is a way to configure a home page if you want. And usually, if you want to configure the home page, you can go to space settings. I hope I remember, but it is not really every day that I work on Confluence. So there is a home page called overview. So you can change it if you want to. You can have any page of your choice. So if you click on it, it will let you change the home page, which is awesome. And I'm sure you can find here other pages if you want to. Let me try to find other pages. So yeah, if you type in, let us say script runner, so I know there is a page or something called as how to articles. So any page can be your home page. It is really up to you. So, but we already have this overview page, which I will modify to. I'll probably improve it. So let us click on the edit button, and because we are on cloud, things are not always this snappy. But I will wait for it. I'll wait for it to load completely. Come on. It is still loading. I have a free account, so I can't really complain too much. Okay, so this is my Confluence page, and I'm not really sure what to do here. Maybe I'll open maybe I'll open my website, and what I will try to do is I will try to get rid of this section here, and maybe I'll get rid of this as well. Labels, uh, I'm not sure. I'll probably get rid of everything. Let us delete everything and start from the very beginning. So the first thing that I'll try to do is I'll maybe copy the um, I'll try to find the the banner which I have, I think, on my service desk. If I go to the service desk or my own service desk, I do have this banner that I was thinking of using here. Yeah, this one. If I go to home page, like the help center, and if I save it as something, I'll probably uh, use that. So use that as a banner. So let us save it. So I'll save it as maybe whatever file name. Then I'll go to my. Can I copy it? Let us try to copy this. No, I can't really copy it as it is. So I think I need to maybe. Um, okay. Okay, let us try to insert this image. So I'll go to file and images. So what I want is I want like a nice banner on top, and I think I didn't save it as an image, which is a shame, but let me try if I can save it as no. Let us go to view source, doing a bit of hacking. So no, not source, inspect element. Come on, inspect, and I'll copy the URL basically of this background image. I think I have this background image somewhere, but where is it? Come on. Okay, this one. I'm trying to find the banner image, or maybe I'll just. I think I have the image on my local computer. I'll just use that image. So this is something that I think you should also do if you want to improve the appearance of your Confluence page. Try to make it a bit more fancy if you think you need to match it. Yeah. So I have the banner image with me. I was trying to inspect element, but I have it on my local computer. So let me just move these images to a nice location so that I can use them easily. Okay, so okay. All right, so let us go to insert images, and I have the images in one of my directory. Okay, so we have this banner. I think this is fine. Maybe this one, I don't know, or this one. They're all same. Maybe I'll also upload my photograph. Okay, let us wait for it to come here, and this looks good now. I think. Welcome to my knowledge base. This is linked to my service desk, where you can raise ticket for me if you need my help. And I think I'll probably link it to my service desk. Get support. Okay, this one. Copy. Control K and link it. Okay, great. It looks good. Let us publish it. Or before I publish it, maybe I'll do few things. I think maybe I should insert. Let us look at some of the macros, I guess, because why not? So if you go to the, I don't really need a Jira roadmap, view more. And by the way, if you are on cloud, or maybe if you're on Confluence, what you can do is you can always insert a macro to display something which is showing you some interesting information. So let us take a look at some of the macros that we can probably use. I don't really, okay, so children display. Do I want to display children? Let us see. Let us see if we have any children. Yeah, we do have children, which I can probably insert here as it is. I think this looks good. And what I'll do is maybe I was thinking of just breaking this page or changing the layout. Uh, let us click on the macro here. So do I need to enter a name? Maybe not. I think this is fine. So let us save it for the timing, and let us just try to see how it looks like. So now the page is looking slightly better. It is a bit slow for some reason. I'm sure my internet is not slow, but now it is much better. And this, I mean, you can see a list of all the articles and the recent articles, I guess. And you have the same list on the left hand side, but I think if someone is coming to this link, I think this will probably help. Maybe what I'll do, for example, I want people to look at my courses, so I'll probably insert these links. Copy link address, and it is actually quite slow for me today. Anyways, so what I'll do is I'll add here some kind of a title, maybe articles. Okay, should I change it to something else? Maybe, yeah, articles, why not? What I was also thinking is, you know what, I'll probably copy this block where I have actually a lot of information. Maybe not, I think it's a bit too much. I'm not really sure. So I'll probably insert useful links, and okay, and bullet point. Okay, courses, free courses, and I will link it to the link. And what else? I also want people to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, because why not? YouTube channel. Okay, and maybe I want to add a bit of background, which I'll probably copy from my About Us page. It's a bit old, so I don't, maybe not. Okay, what else? I think this is good information for the time being, and I wanted to basically change something very quickly today, and I don't really want to make massive changes. Maybe I will also upload a logo. Let us see if we can do that. I think I should have my logo somewhere. I'll probably use it. So let us go to the look and feel. Okay, come on, site logo and favicon. Okay, so site title. Do I need a site title? Ravi Sagar knowledge base. Yeah, why not? Choose a file, and I do have a logo, by the way. No, not this one. This is my picture. This one. Show logo only? Yeah, I think so. Show logo only. I think that makes sense. I think I also had a favicon. So for some reason this is actually very slow today. Anyways, let us go to color scheme. I also want to change the color scheme, at least the background. So what else can we change here? I think edit background. I know the color. Will it work? Yep, this will work. Yeah, this is looking better. Now it is following the same theme. So it looks like we are within Jira and we are within. It is like. There's some consistency which is always appreciated. And now if you go to knowledge base, you can hopefully see some, not knowledge base, sorry, not this one. It is the other one. The space key is Ravi, not KB. Come on, Ravi. Okay. Okay, so this will hopefully work. I'm happy with this. It is better than that default page that was there earlier. Of course, it is not really a website, but you can actually make a website in Confluence if you want, because you can. And let us take a look at something else. I want to basically quickly take a look at few other macros. It has been a while, to be honest, and I'm trying to refresh my memory. What I was hoping to do is, because on my website, if you go to my Ravi Sagar website, I do have this RSS feed, which I was thinking of embedding here. Like apart from the articles, maybe I want people to look at the recent content that I have been posting on my website. Let us see if we have RSS feed. There used to be. I'm not really sure if that is the case. I guess not. XML, no. HTML, no. Okay, let us just take a look at something here that we can probably use. Contributions, summary, no, maybe not. iframe. Issues in progress. Maybe I'll try iframe. Okay. Okay, let us try iframe. Add an iframe to your page. URL. Okay. Can I have the URL of my website? I'm not really sure. Usually you get an error with I think some course error, I guess. ID, class, width, blah blah blah. Insert. I'm not really sure if it will work. Let us see. Let us publish it. I'll probably not insert the whole home page because it will be weird. Ravisagar.in refused to connect. Okay, all right. My bad. I'll remove it. I think I need to check few things on why this is not working. Can I also take a look at maybe a couple of more things that I can probably insert? Decision, divider, no. View more. Blog post, display the most recent blogs. I was actually hoping to insert maybe a feed from external source that can be that can be displayed within Confluence Media. What about maybe one video, external content? Okay, but this is from Jira. Not really, it won't help. I don't really want to insert anything from Jira. Okay, I think this is fine. What I'll also do is, let us say if I open the URL of one of the YouTube video, let us see how it behaves when I insert it here. Okay, so Jira Cloud Test Environment, and if I publish it, will it display as a video? I'm not sure. I think it used to be like that, because when you search on the portal, video can be rendered. It is not really working on cloud. It definitely works on the server version. I mean, I've seen a lot of pages where you can have videos, but not display as link. Okay, so you need to change it as a card, or maybe what else? Display embed. Okay, this looks good. Yep, great. So it has been a while actually. So what I'll do, I'll probably insert one of my portfolio video, which is like, I don't really have I don't really have an intro on my channel. I think I should. I never really care about these things, but I think it is good to have one video at least, which I can hopefully use as maybe this video, because this video has a lot of views. Share, copy. Okay, great. And if I go back to the page, no, I don't want to click on it. Okay, come on. Display as embed. Okay. And I was thinking, because I also have, usually I embed my videos on my website. I was thinking maybe I can just use this link. Will it work? Copy link. I am not sure. Let us see. No, it won't work. Do we have anything like embed here? Widget connector. Okay. Website widget URL. Okay, let us try this. Preview. I don't think it is going to work. Let us save it. Widget connector. I never really used it before. Maybe it will work. So the YouTube video is definitely working, but maybe I need to change something. The good thing about Drupal is that you can change. You can have different display modes for content. So maybe I can do something about it, because it is looking for, I guess, YouTube embed tags, I guess. But I'm not really too much worried about doing this, because I can always directly embed the YouTube link, which is perfectly working fine. So I guess this is it for today. I was actually, I didn't really get a chance to update this page, and today when I got a chance, I thought I'll also share whatever I'm doing with all of you, so you can also do the same thing in case you have a Confluence page that you want to change, and you maybe want to make it look like slightly like a website. Maybe you're trying to follow your branding guidelines. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.